What are you doing, Max? She's biting her tail.
I think we need to take Max to the psychiatrist. What is she doing?
Maxie, what are you doing?
She's chasing a fly.
A fly?
Yeah, I saw it. Oh my gosh. There's a fly, Max. See it? Oh, Max, look, fly.
What are you looking at, Maxie?
The fly, see it? Oh,
No, I can't really see it.
oh, it's probably can't see through the camera. She like trying to eat the fly? Yes, she's one to the fly, now she's trying to eat it. Mom, why did you just eat a fly that she killed?
She just ate a fly, Max. That's
The one that was in the house?
yeah.
Yeah, she killed it and then ate it.
Good.
Maxie, how do you eat bugs? It's so disgusting.
And then they pick at certain food and don't like it, they'll eat it.
Yeah, no. Cats are so picky.
I think Maxie might have eaten something that she shouldn't have eaten in the wood.
Maybe she got some gunpowder from last night later.
Yeah.
Her tail again.
She thinks she's a dog now. She's like chasing her tail. Or she's eating her food. No, she's looking at it. Yeah, I picked it up.
Nope. Okay.
Stop.